Hello everyone, today I'm going to open and build this LEGO Pirates of the Caribbean Jack Sparrow's compass. So this is a gift with purchase when you purchase the Jack Sparrow's pirate ship or the Black Pearl. I did bought this set, hence I get this gift with purchase here, but I don't have the time to build the Black Pearl yet. So let's just open this up and start building this. And here we are, I have finished building this Jack Sparrow's compass. I have to say this is an absolutely fun set to build and has so much detail across the compass, and even got this string here so you can kind of hand it out like this. But what's most impressive is that you can open it up just like in the movie, and even inside you've got this exclusive print, which is rare, but recently all these gift with purchase come with at least one exclusive print, and it can actually move pretty well, so you can actually mimic the movement of the compass. Even though it's a very small build, but I'm very impressed and just really like how it looks. And since it doesn't have any minifigure, that's pretty much the Jack Sparrow compass. It's an absolutely stunning set. If you love the first movie or even the series, it's definitely a must-have, and it's a nice set to get when you purchase the expensive Black Pearl. I'm not sure how much it's gonna cost you aftermarket, but if you're able to get your hands onto one and you love Pirates of the Caribbean, this is definitely a set that you want to get, and I just so impressed with all these actions. But anyway, do let me know what you think about this set in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like.